Hey, we're in Ixtapa. You don't come out here that often, right? Really,
Never.
right? Never.
Just to feed cats or catch cats to bring you to spots.
Yeah, exactly. It's I mean, really, we've probably been here like 10 evenings in the last 5 years.
Oh yeah. No, we never come out for like anything other than.
Yeah, I know. But we should. I mean, it's a nice little area. It's something different.
Yeah.
So I thought it's Friday night. Maybe it'll be happening here. Something different than what we usually do on Friday, which is wander Centro and Zihua, right? So,
I'm stoked.
yeah,
Trip Friday.
field trip. Yeah, it's kind of like a field trip. So, anyways, we're gonna walk around. We'll show you Ixtapa nights, and first we'll go check out the beach real quick, or see if we can see a sunset. All right, let's go. Nice little sunset.
Pretty.
This is Playa Palmar, I think. That's the Ixtapa beach. Do you know? I think that's what it is. Really, I'm surprised at how busy it is. Maybe I shouldn't be, right?
Not.
But
It's a free beach, so this is like the one access that gets you onto the beach that's not one of the all-inclusive hotels. You can't get through any of those.
yeah, I think there's only a couple access points to
Yeah.
this beach. So a lot of people here. There's a photo shoot going on behind us. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it, but
Sorry.
yeah, a nice sunset. Feels great down here. All right, that's the beach. Let's go find a bar, get a drink and a beer, cerveza. Allie found a store, so she's in there shopping. Me, not interested, so I'll wait out here. It's about 10 p.m. now. There's still a few people out. We found a place to eat dinner.
Yeah,
Right?
was
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, it was good. Got a burrito. It's over by the Generals. The Generals is no longer where if you've been to Ixtapa, there's the bar. It's a very popular place. The General
Yeah.
bar,
We
sports
get a lot
bar.
of Americana food,
Yeah.
sports bar.
Very friendly owners and staff.
That's where
So
I wanted to go tonight.
yeah, we would have gone there, but they're not there, and we didn't know what happened. So we're walking around, and we came across this new giant bar restaurant in front of Reuben's, and the guy yelled at us. He's like, "Hey, I recognize you guys," and he called us in. He gave us a tour.
Yep.
Gave us a
Shout out to Kiva.
shot of tequila. Yeah.
They're very
awesome.
friendly. They're nice people. The place is beautiful. It's like brand new building all around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm super excited. September 12th is supposed to be their grand opening, but look for it.
Yeah, look for it. We'll be back. We're going to
Yeah.
support them. That was really nice of them to give us the tour and give us a
Yeah,
shot.
we've always loved the food there, and the people are great.
Yeah, they're really good. So we'll be back there. I haven't ever seen that putt-putt place open before. So that was cool. Golfito, it's 90 pesos for 18 holes. And they've got like a bar, and they got foosball and pool tables and stuff. So
Yeah.
that's nearby, right in the same shopping complex. So we will definitely be back to play some putt-putt miniature golf.
Oh yeah.
What else? The sad thing is, it looks like the cinema.
Yeah, it's toast.
It's toast. Yeah, it's totally closed down.
Not
Looks
that
like
we've
we've never been there, but
never been there, but I'm sure people from Ixtapa like to go there. So, yeah.
it's not. We would. Now I wish we went there more often because we try to support our cinema. All of the restaurants and cinemas and everything. We want to support them all because we
don't
hate to
stay
see
going.
anybody.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
go out of business. So what else?
I mean, it's just lively. I mean, we walked around all night. Everything's kind of lit up. It's been fun. Matt will have lots of video showing all that stuff. Even right now, I mean, they still have all the little craft stuffs are open. So it's a great little town.
Let's walk around a little bit more. And show a little more video, and then we're gonna head back to the home base, all the way back in Zihua and Playa. Okay, that's a wrap. All right,
That's it. Well, not for the night, but for Ixtapa.
for Ixtapa. I mean, it is pretty late. It's like 10 o'clock. That's pretty late for us. Okay, thanks everybody for watching. This is Ixtapa at night. See you next time.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego. Bye.
Don't forget to like and comment
And subscribe.